The Pentecost Church be actually one of the churches in the country where when it comes to infrastructural development, then if you go band for band with the government.
True.
Schools, roads, hospitals.
So yesterday, the Pentecost Church of Ghana, they have fully funded, built, and finished a new fire station at Yesukrum, Gomwa Fete in the Gomwa East. You don't know. This be ultra modern fire station.
Ultra modern,
bro.
When you're there, you're
no.
Then build them from scratch.
But yeah, they say they still need equipment.
Oh yeah,
equipment. Yeah, they always.
Ask Pentecost carry go make Presby 2 carry the equipment.
Yeah.
Methodist 4. And they be Anglican.
Anglican
Deeper life we are building a nation.